With Halloween just around the corner, today I thought it would be perfect for us to read The Witch on a Windy Night. Now, throughout this story, you are going to need to make the sound of the wind. It will sound like this. Shh. Do you think you can do that? Let's try it together. Here we go. Shh. So on every page, our story is going to say, the wind blew all around the house. And then you will say, shh. So get ready for that. All right, so this is The Witch on a Windy Night. It was adapted by Bernice Chartier. It's illustrated by Pamela Cody. And then it's originally based on a poem by Bernice Wells Carlson. I hope you enjoy it. The Witch on a Windy Night. The wind blew all around the house. Shh. An old witch sat at home all alone, cooking and cooking an old soup bone. And the wind blew all around the house. Shh.
Who will share my soup? She crowed. If I drink it all, I'll surely explode.
She added a little of this and that. What happened then? Along came a cat. And the wind blew all around the house. Shh. Oh, will you share your soup with me? The black cat purred. With me? With me?
Go away, said the witch. I chased you before.
What happened then? A dog came through the door. And the wind blew all around the house. Make sure you're blowing like the wind. Shh. Oh, that one sounded really good. Good job, you guys. Will you share your soup with me? The wet dog whined. With me? With me?
No, said the witch, and that is that.
What happened then? In flew a bat. And the wind blew all around the house.
Oh, will you share your soup with me?
The black bat squeaked.
With me, with me?
See, even sometimes I make mistakes when I'm reading a story.
Not now, said the witch. You'll spoil my fun.
What happened then? The soup was done. And the wind blew all around the house.
Good, they're gone. I hate to share. Let everyone starve for all I care. I'll drink the soup myself,
she sang. What happened then?
She exploded.
Bang! And the wind blew all around the house. Now, if you remember at the beginning of the story, the witch said if she ate her soup all by herself, she would explode. So there were so many opportunities for her to share in the story with the dog and the cat and the bat, but she never took any of those opportunities to share. She exploded at the end because of it. So that teaches us a little lesson. Whenever we have a chance to share, we might as well try. I hope you enjoyed this story. Happy almost Halloween. Bye.